Put simply, restorative performance is a workshop to help you make art from your experiences. Restorative performance is stepping into your light and telling your story. Whether that is an actual story, or it could be a song, a dance, a monologue, a poem, a photograph, a short film, anything you can create in 2 hours. Who's this for? This is for creative people, but also for regular people. It's for actors and directors and producers. It's for storytellers. It's for dancers, poets, photographers, cooks. It's for musicians. It's for people looking for meaning. It's for people looking to laugh and have a good time. It's for people who need to tell their story. It's for people who need to rehearse change. Restorative performance is an arts workshop meant to restore and renew your vision. It's a way to get in touch with your creativity. Join us for our monthly incubator, where we will make art, have a laugh, share stories, and there could be cookies. My name is Ara McGlamory, and I'll be joined in each session by a fellow therapist artist. It's a once-a-month incubator session, culminating at the end of the semester in a final performance of your choosing. Hope you join us. Link is attached.